Welcome to my channel. If you like my videos, then kindly subscribe, like and watch. Thank you.
Welcome back. Problem 8-10. The A36 steel band is 2 inch wide and is secured around a smooth rigid cylinder. So you can see this is the band clear that is secured around a smooth rigid cylinder. This is cylinder clear. If the bolts are tightened so that the tension in them is 400 pound, so due to tightness of this bolt the tension is 400 pound, determine the normal stress in the band, the pressure exerted on the cylinder, and the distance half the band stretch. So let's start with the given data. In given data it is that this is A36 steel clear, that is width W is equal to 2 inch clear, and thickness is given as 1/8 inch, that is again over here. The diameter of this cylinder is 8 inch clear, and tension which is equal to force clear, that is tension F is equal to 400 pound. So what we have to find is that we have to find the normal stress sigma clear, normal stress clear. We have to find the pressure exerted on the cylinder, and the 3 is the distance half the band stretches. Due to this tension, how much this band stretches, that is change in length. So let's start with the solution. As we know that normal stress is equal to force per unit area, so again this force is equal to 400 pound here, divided by the area of this band will be equal to thickness into width, so 2 into 1/8 inch. So when you solve this you will get the normal stress is equal to 1600 psi. Now this is the normal stress, and again we can find our normal stress or working stress, and we know that hoop stress is equal to sigma 1, that is equal to P into R divided by T there, and this normal stress is equal to sigma 1. So here 1600 psi is equal to P into R divided by T. So you can get P internal pressure, that is equal to 1600 into T divided by R. So 1600 multiplied by thickness is 1/8 inch. Okay, 1/8 inch divided by R is equal to the inner radius, which is 8 divided by 2, and that will be equal to 4. So this is the this is 8, this Ri is 8, this is not diameter, this is radius. Ri is 8 inch. So again you have to put 8 over here. So when you calculate it you will get the internal pressure or pressure exerted on the cylinder, that is equal to 25 psi. So this is the answer of part B. Now we have been asked to find the distance half the band stretch. So you have to take the half of the band, that how much it stretches. So as we know that stress is equal to E into strain clear, so sigma 1 is equal to E into strain clear, and from here you can get E1 is equal epsilon 1 is equal to strain stress over E. Now if you check at the end of the book property for A36 you will get this value of E. I will write it, sigma 1 is equal to 1600 psi, and E for A36 structural steel you have E is 29 into 10 to the power 6 psi. So you can put the value 29 into 10 to the power 6. So you will get the strain is equal to 55.17. 2 into 10 to the power minus 6. Now we know that strain is equal to change in length divided by original length. Clear? And this change in length will be equal to epsilon 1 into original length. Epsilon 1 is equal to 55.172 into 10 to the power minus 6, and the length of this half segment will be equal to pi into this 8. This half segment will be equal to pi into 8 plus this thickness plus this thickness, which is 1 by 16. Okay, so half, because pi r, half is pi r. Clear? So 8 plus this thickness and this thickness, so total is pi r, pi into r. Clear? But this r should be outer radius, so 8 plus 1 by 8 plus 1 by 8 plus 1 by 16. Clear? This is 1 by 8. Thickness is 1 by 8. So 8 inch pi into r plus 1 by 6. 1 by 16. I think this is 1 by 8. 8 plus 1 by 8. So again you can put the value of length over here, so that will be pi into 8 plus 1 by 8. So when you solve this, you will get this change in length, or the bend stretches, comes out to be 0.0014 inch. So this is the answer. This is the normal stress, this is the pressure exerted on the cylinder, and this is the amount of bend that stretch due to this tension. I hope you have enjoyed it. Thank you for watching.